Today we are talking about the Jetboil Zip. The Zip is a tried and true classic, and it's based on Jetboil's original PCS design. The great thing about unregulated systems like the Zip is it harnesses every ounce of flux ring technology. And that means you get ultra efficiency and rapid boiling for 3-season performance. It weighs just 12 ounces, and you can actually store a 100-gram jet power can, the burner, and the fuel stabilizer in here. An adjustable 4,500 BTU burner and flux ring technology help keep the Zip super efficient. It'll boil 500 milliliters or 2 cups of water in just 2.5 minutes. And one of these 100-gram jet power cans will let you boil up to 12 liters of water depending upon conditions. Now, match ignition also keeps the Zip super reliable and super simple. And what's match ignition? Well, you can also think of it as BYOB, bring your own Bic lighter. It comes with a 0.8 liter or 27 fluid ounce flux ring cooking cup and an insulated cozy. That makes it the perfect size for 1 or 2 people. It's also got all the features you'd expect from Jetboil, like a pour spout in the lid and then a bottom cover that actually doubles as a measuring cup or a bowl. So you've got everything you need to make a meal right here included with the Zip system. So all in all, the Zip is perfect for anybody looking for a lightweight and reliable cooking system that gives you everything you need and nothing you don't. Hey guys, today we're talking about the Jetboil MiniMo system. Now the MiniMo is Jetboil's most popular regulated cook system, and I'm going to show you what it's all about. The MiniMo is a fantastic personal cook system that weighs in at just 14.6 ounces, but still gives you a 6,000 BTU burner stove with Jetboil's regulator technology and unbeatable simmer control. So the great thing about the MiniMo is how everything packs together. You've got this bottom cover that doubles as a measuring cup and bowl. And you've got the cup here that holds everything else. The top lid, the fuel stabilizer, fits right in there. A 100-gram fuel canister and the stove itself fit right in the cup. So then you just build the system. Screw the stove into the fuel canister. The cooking cup locks into place. Then you've got your measuring cup and bowl, and then you've got the lid. Easy. The big story with the MiniMo is the redesigned cooking cup and handles. It comes with a 1-liter short flux ring cooking cup and insulated cozy, and as the name suggests, it's shorter and a bit wider than before, so you get a better spoon angle. So that just means it's easier than ever to cook and eat straight out of the cup since you can get more of your spoon in there. The metal handles here on the side are super sturdy and they're insulated so you won't burn your hands, and they really just go a long way towards making this thing really usable. Now the cup itself has this great drink-through lid with a pour spout and a strainer, so you can use it as a cup for coffee or to strain pasta. And the bottom cover doubles as a measuring cup or a bowl, so you have everything you need to make a meal for yourself all right here. So it's the perfect size system for one person, and the flux ring technology on the cup make it really fuel efficient. It'll boil a half a liter of water in just 2 minutes and 15 seconds, and one of these 100-gram fuel canisters will let you do that 24 times. Jetboil makes the most advanced regulator valves in the industry. They engineer them to allow for 4 full turns of the valve spindle for incremental fuel flow adjustment and consistent heat output from a light simmer all the way to a rolling boil. Here's what that means. A lot of other stoves on the market go from closed to fully wide open with 1 turn of the spindle. So you either get a tiny flame that won't cook any of your food or a full bore inferno that burns everything. Not so with the MiniMo. It also means you can boil water for coffee in an instant and then cook perfect scrambled eggs all on the same stove. The other great thing about the MiniMo's regulator technology is that it helps it perform better in cold weather. It's rated for consistent performance down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit, so you don't have to worry about it not working well when it's cold outside. Now beyond that, you get a reliable push-button igniter and a fuel stabilizer, and the MiniMo is compatible with a whole host of Jetboil accessories, like the Grande coffee press, pot support, and frying pan. So all in all, with the MiniMo, you get an incredible personal cook system. You get a really powerful burner that'll boil water quickly, but still has unbeatable simmer control and packs down really small. The shorter cup size makes it easier than ever to cook and eat out of the same vessel, and you won't have to sacrifice weight for cooking performance in the backcountry. Hey guys, today we're talking about the Jetboil Genesis Basecamp system. Now this thing is the world's first Basecamp cook system that will totally change the way you cook in the backcountry. It's truly incredible. I'm going to show you what it's all about. So the Genesis Basecamp system is basically a super fast and efficient 2-burner cook stove that comes with a 5-liter pot and a 10-inch frying pan. It all nests together in a compact package and weighs just 9 pounds. Everything works together to create the perfect system for fueling a demanding group during big adventures. So first let's talk about the Genesis stove itself. Now it's incredibly powerful with two 10,000 BTU burners, and it'll boil a liter of water in just over 3 minutes. But it's also incredibly efficient. In fact, one of these 1-pound propane bottles will let you boil 48 liters of water. Now on top of that, it has Jetboil's unbeatable simmer control thanks to their patented regulator valve technology. And here's how that works. Most stoves go from closed to fully wide open with just 1 turn of the valve here, but with Jetboil you get 4 full turns. That means you have almost infinite fuel flow adjustability and consistent heat output from a light simmer all the way to a rolling boil. So you can cook perfectly golden brown French toast for breakfast in the morning and then rapidly boil water for fettuccine at night, all on the same stove. Now each burner has a super reliable lever igniter for easy lighting, and the whole stove folds together for really easy storage. It's also JetLink compatible. So JetLink basically allows you to connect the Genesis to other stoves and accessories without the need for extra regulators and fuel sources. So all you do is connect a JetLink hose to the JetLink output on the Genesis, and then connect that same hose to the fuel input on the other stove, and you're good to go. So here we've got the Genesis hooked up to a HalfGen, and off of the HalfGen we've got a Luna burner. So you can daisy chain a bunch of stoves and accessories together and create the ultimate camp kitchen that'll feed your entire crew before you head out for the day. The Genesis Basecamp system comes with a 5-liter flux pot and a 10-inch frying pan for eco-friendly non-stick cooking. So the 5-liter pot comes with Jetboil's flux ring technology, which you can see right here, and that just helps out a ton with fuel efficiency and even heating. Now, they also have insulated handles for easy carrying, and the pot lid has an integrated strainer. Now the whole thing is designed so that the stove itself fits right into the pot, and then the frying pan fits on top of everything to create a nice compact package, and then the whole system fits right in this great carry bag, which has a separate padded compartment for the fuel regulator and padded walls so nothing gets beat up. So with the Genesis Basecamp system, you're really getting the ultimate camp kitchen in a bag. And thanks to JetLink, you can expand that kitchen depending upon how many people you've got in your group. Everything you see here nests together neatly and is super portable, but more importantly, you're getting an incredibly powerful and versatile cook system that's perfect for fueling your group before a big adventure. Hey everybody, Brian here from Jetboil, and this is the brand new Stash. Our engineers went all out with this one and created the lightest stove system that Jetboil has ever made. Let's check it out. First things first, the Stash is 40% lighter than any other Jetboil stove system. It weighs just 7.1 ounces or 200 grams. Think about that. 7.1 ounces is practically nothing. It's pretty much a pair of socks. To shave all that weight, the engineers kept the Stash as simple as possible while still giving you all of that uncompromised cooking performance you'd expect from Jetboil. The stove itself has a titanium burner, and as you can see, there's no igniter or regulator on this thing, which saves a ton of weight. Now that means that the Stash is part of the fast boil category of stoves, which means it's best for things like freeze-dried meals or coffee and tea on the trail. That nearly non-existent weight means it's the perfect stove for anyone who is serious about counting grams and keeping things as lightweight and compact as possible, whether you're through hiking or on a big multi-day bikepacking trip. Now, just because it's lightweight doesn't mean it skimps on cooking performance. The Stash features the same flux ring technology that you see on other Jetboils, which means it uses half the amount of fuel to boil twice as fast. The Stash boils 2 cups of water in just 2.5 minutes, which means it's perfect for most dehydrated meals or a cup of coffee. The Stash has 3 support arms that fold out for stability, and the 0.8-liter cook pot slots right into these little notches, which makes it incredibly stable. The cook pot also has handy measurement lines on the inside, and it's the perfect size for the majority of backpacking meals. If you're cooking for 2, you're going to love the fast boil time that this thing has. It's also designed to work with whatever pot or pan you've already got, like the Jetboil Summit skillet that I've got right here. Instead of a cozy like some other Jetboil models, the Stash features a silicone grip that folds over for easy storage. The lid also features a pour spout, and the system comes with a fuel can stabilizer as well. The other thing that makes the stash so great is how compact the whole system is. When you're done using it, fold the arms back in and flip over the bale, stow the fuel can stabilizer in the bottom of the cook pot, flip the stove over and place it towards the corner of the stabilizer, then snap your 100-gram fuel canister into the lid. After that, put the lid on the stove and then pinch the base of the handle to fold it over, and you're good to go. The canister snaps into the lid to save space and to keep it from rattling in your pack. And as a bonus, there's even a spot to store a mini lighter between the lid and the bottom of the fuel canister. I am really excited about the stash. At just 7.1 ounces, it's the lightest stove system that Jetboil has ever created. It's so small, you're going to forget you're carrying it. Despite how small it is, it still boils water incredibly fast, so it's the perfect stove for big backcountry missions where weight and space are critical.